Keep a positive mindset. All the time, every day. Always be alert. Whenever a negative thought appears in your mental field, immediately replace it with a positive one. We can't control everything that happens around us, but we can take control of what we think. And what we think creates a powerful energy field, which will attract exactly what we are vibrating. No matter what happens around you, choose to think and vibrate joy, positivity, and hope. And your life will be full of health, prosperity, and happiness.